Greetings, Mr. Bond. Me and my stapler have been expecting you.
Attack of the Stapler!
Okay, I'm going to talk while playing the piano, and this could go terribly wrong.
But who cares?
Your mother.
Okay, let's do this. Okay.
Hello there. Welcome to the Sunday Show. My name's Ben.
Breakdown! You just can't handle my swag. But like I tried to say before, hello, my name is Ben, it's Sunday. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Now, when I said it was Sunday, I lied. Now I know what you're thinking.
Call the police! He told me it was the wrong day of the week!
Now, let me explain, okay? When I film these, it's never on a Sunday. So right now when I'm filming this, it's actually Saturday.
Mind-boggling!
But if you think about it, you are looking into the past.
This video's a time machine.
Just thought you'd like to know. What's on the schedule today? Ah, just kidding. I don't have a schedule. I can't even read.
Puppets, puppets, puppets.
Okay, today I'm taking requests. So let's get started. Grace Barker says learn an obscure national anthem, then sing it in a Russian accent. I do worry about that girl, but nevertheless. Challenge accepted! Okay, it's probably not obscure, but I've learnt the American national anthem. Need to prepare my Russian accent. Vodka, vodka, vodka. Makarov, Makarov, Makarov. Have you ever noticed you can just, like, make up Russian-sounding names? Like...
Spitznav.
Chickenov.
Or if you have whiplash, Stifnik. But I digress. American national anthem in Russian accent. Let's go!
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early night what so proudly we've hailed at the twilight's last gleaming?
Well, that was fun.
Moving on.
Megan Bates wants me to make a song about her. Alrighty then. Megan. Her name is Megan. Megan Bates. But not the fish bait. It's spelled differently. Now available on iTunes. Andrew Stemp, see how many spoons you can put on your face at once. That sounds interesting. Let's go get some spoons! Alright then, let's find out. Oh god. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, I have a suggestion to bake a cake and put my brother's face in it. Christopher?
Yeah.
Can I put your face in a cake?
No.
Oh. No, I don't think he'd appreciate that very much, so, sorry. But, here's a half-eaten mince pie! It's great. I think I'm gonna go now. So that's goodbye from me, Bernie, and Clive. See you later, gang.